Hello guys, so welcome back to our channel. This is actually Rajit Technology. So in this video, I'm going to break down more analysis on how to grow your TikTok account to monetization in the space of 2 months or 3 months. Thereabout your UK international account. I'm not talking about your African Nigerian account. I mean your TikTok international account rather. International account. If you want to grow that account in the space of 2 months, these are the tips you need to use to grow the account. Now the first thing, number one, you need to understand that for a beginner, or should I say for a starter on TikTok, you understand, or a starter on content creation, you need to make use of some certain things you are seeing on the TikTok interface. Now, number one, you need to make use of the viral sounds. That's number one. Number two, you need to make use of tags, the right tags for your video. If you use the wrong tag, your video will not get viral, it will not get to those who are expected to watch your video. So you need to understand the use of tags. I believe I'll that tag will be under video. I'll discuss more about that tag. But for now, let me just give you the basic tips you need to know about growing your TikTok account. Like I said, you need to use the viral sounds. You also need to make use of the right tags. And most importantly, the very most important thing at all, you don't need to start posting any video on your UK international account. Okay, you need to specify on one particular niche, which is the very key. Even on all other social media platforms, focus on a niche. We have a lot of niches out there. We have the comedy, we have the lifestyle, we have the kitchen, that's foodie, we have tech, we have in fact so many um niche that are out there. So you need to focus on one which you understand that you can actually use very well, and it's what the audience needs. Very important. Now, in my last video, I told you about difference between what you like and giving up what the audience wants. Do you understand? So you need to understand this one too very well. You don't need to joke with this one. If you joke with that, this statement I make now, giving up what you like versus giving up what your audience wants. If you don't, in fact, don't worry, if you don't make use of this thing, it will affect you, it will affect your account. I'm very serious about this. So you need to understand what your audience wants. Give them what they want. Give it to them. It might be comedy, it might be anything they want, just give to them. Don't give out what you like doing. Okay, because if you give out what you like doing, before you get the reaction or before you get your expectation on that your account, it might take months, might take years. But when you give out what they want, in space of 2 months or thereabout, you have hit the monetization policy. And we all know that we are in this platform because of what? To get the funds, not because we are just giving out it like that. You need something back return, and that's why you're using all this platform. Do you understand? So give out what your audience wants. All right, very important. I made mention of some things here. I made mention of the right use the viral sounds, right, and tags. Also focus on a niche. Focus on a niche. Focus on niche and give out what the audience wants. These are the 4 to 5 basic tips you need to use to grow your TikTok account. Don't joke with these tips at all. If you work with this, I bet you in 2 months you get your account monetized. Alright now, so we did all this and I expect you have gained something. So I want you guys just do me a favor. If you like this video, give me a like, also comment, okay, and let me know what challenges you're having right now so you can discuss more on that. And as well, subscribe to our channel. Very important. We beg you subscribe to our channel so we can give out more tips like this in our account. And don't forget, we check my account, you notice that we are giving out also tips on how to avoid being scammed. So if you want to know basic tip for you to make yourself, your online presence being safety and being secured, make sure you check out our videos now in our platform on Orange Tech Care. Check our videos there. You see tips on how to protect yourself from being scammed on the online system. Here we are online. We have many fraudsters online, so please be secured and protect yourself. Protect your identity. Protect your document. Protect everything about you. Don't let them get you. Don't be a victim. Alright. So thank you very much for watching this video to this very length. I pray and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.